Hey guys, Black Sparrow here for YakAboutAYak. Today I want to talk to you about a cheap and easy way to make a high visibility flag for your kayak. Alright, stay tuned and we'll catch you on the flip side. So guys, when you're out on the water, you want to keep safety in mind. Here's a statistic for you. In 2018, there was 133 paddlers who lost their lives in paddle sports accidents. That is way too many. And why? Because we're not thinking about safety when we're out on the water. We're thinking about having a good time. We're out there in our nice camo kayak thinking, oh yeah, no one can see me. That is just the wrong attitude to have. I used to have, and take a look at my intro video, I used to have a pirate flag in the back of my kayak. No one can see that. I'm camo, out on the water, black flag. No one's going to be able to see me. What did I do? I bought myself an Ericsson high visibility flag. And I picked it up at my local TSC store. It was like $5. It comes in an 18 by 18 size. You can cut it in half and make two flags for yourself. And I'm sorry guys, companies like Railblazer and others out there, they're charging like $70 for a kayak flag with a little light on top, okay? I got this with a light from my local dollar store, $1, okay? Now, in the nighttime, you do need to have a white light. So this is not going to cut it for the nighttime. But during the day, certainly, this is going to be highly reflective out on the water. Someone's going to see that. Not only that, but I took the Ericsson flag, cut it in half, and just put twist ties and some wire around it and attached it to this pole. Very simple to do. It already comes with a grommet. I put a piece of wire through the bottom and just put it into my kayak. Now, how did I put it? How did I mount it in my kayak? Well, I've got this well in here and I made myself a nice little piece of foam block, corded out the size of the pole, put a nice little skeleton flag on it, so it makes it a little bit cooler. And you just take this, slip it in the back of your kayak, and voila, there you go, high visibility. Now another thing you can do, a lot of people will have their crates mounted on the back of their kayak. You can take a piece of PVC tubing and wrap tape around the end of it to increase the width. Then you're probably going to have some fishing rod holders mounted into your crate. You take that and you stick it into the holes of the fishing rod holders. Now you got a long pole. You can take your flag quite simply, insert into said PVC, stick it into your rod holder, and there you go. People are going to see you out on the water. Take a look at this quick little clip.
This is the Ericsson visibility flag for oversized loads on transport trailers. Now 18 by 18 is a little bit big, so you can cut it in half, 18 by 9, and even trim it into a nice triangle shape.
Now guys, what inspired me to do this video, I gotta be honest, is a video that I saw uploaded by Rino. And yes, Adam, I did comment specifically on your post. I said, there is no reason that the motorboat should have run you over. Absolutely. But you did not have a high visibility flag. You did not have a whistle. Two things critical when you're out on the water to be able to signal and allow other boaters to see where you are. If they can't see you, blow your whistle. They're going to hear you. Then they're going to stand up, look around, and veer off instead of hitting you. I had this exact thing happen to me out on Lake Erie. Lake Erie, huge body of water. A boat is coming straight for me. I knew if I didn't signal or get out of the way, he was going to ram right through me. So I took my paddles, I'm waving up and down, and I'm blowing on my whistle. What did I see? I saw the guy in his boat actually stand up, look around, and then he saw me, then he veers specifically and goes around me. Why? Because I had a whistle and a high visibility flag. Now, Adam, thank you very much. I'm going to link to your video in my comment section. And Adam put together a 5 lessons learned after getting hit by a motorboat. 3 of the things that I mentioned, he mentioned in his 5 things: wearing a whistle, wearing a VHF radio, and having a high visibility flag. I want to show you guys another example of what I'm talking about. I'm going to cut away here to a clip of my father out on lake coming towards me. Now he's off in the distance. You can't see him. You can't make him out, but you can see his flag coming. And a boater seeing this orange in the water is definitely going to say, hey, there's something over there that I got to avoid. So take a look at this.
At 200 feet away, you can just make out the flag. At less than 100 feet away, the kayak still can't be seen in the water, but the flag is clearly visible.
So here's the other way that I have my flag rigged up on my kayak. You've seen my crate. I've taken a piece of the PVC, just cut off a little bit, and zip tied it into the crate. Then I take my flag, simply insert, and there we go. So guys, the high visibility flag, it is not a requirement by the Coast Guard to have a high visibility flag on your kayak, but it is definitely a recommendation. I want to see you out on the water. We all want to see each other on the water. Make sure to have a high visibility flag. Let's stay safe, be seen, be safe, and live to yak another day. All right, guys, till next time, I'm your host, Black Sparrow, saying take care.